We're not just solving your problems, we're gonna make a difference in your life. So we're gonna make a difference in your home.
When we started out, we wanted to have great customer experience.
And that's the Dugan difference. What did you do above and beyond for that customer?
Being consistent, giving top-notch service every single time, being different than everybody else.
Being able to provide a service for our community and better serve them.
You're going to be taken care of with premium service and no shenanigans.